this tutorial we're going to be learning a fun and easy textured stitch called the popcorn stitch, which creates this sort of bubble on the front of your crochet. To make a popcorn stitch, we first need to make 5 double crochet into the same stitch. That's double crochet if you use US terminology, or treble crochet if you use UK terminology. So there is my 5 stitches all into the same stitch. I'm then going to remove the tension from my yarn, and I'm going to take my yarn hook out of that loop. I'm then going to put my yarn back into the first stitch we made in that group of 5 double crochets. So I'm putting my hook in there, and then I'm going to grab that loop that we dropped with my hook, put my tension back on my yarn, and then pull that loop through that first stitch, and that gathers all those stitches together and it sort of makes that bubble on the front of your work. Popcorn stitches are one of the stitches we're going to be using in the Yorkshire Sampler Blanket Crochet Along. This is a sampler blanket made of 12 different granny squares. Here are 2 of the squares that feature popcorn stitches as flowers. If you would like to learn more about the Yorkshire Sampler Blanket Crochet Along, I'll pop up a link to a video on the screen, and I will see you next time.